Hello guys, I said I wasn't coming back, that I was done, but since I'm here at the clinic and I had to do this thing for a family member, I'm going to take advantage and I'm going to show you that which you have seen in the videos too, but I'm gonna show you live how I'm going to do a night guard. So a night guard is used when you have bruxism grinding, when you grind at night, when you have pain in your TMJ area, this area here, when you have those clicking sounds, when you have that like broken glass sound in this area. Sometimes you have ear pain or headaches, and everything it comes from the temporomandibular joint, which is the joint here. Also, if your teeth are not well aligned and your bite is off, you have problems biting, another reason to seek treatment to correct that. But in the meantime, you're going to need a night guard, an occlusal night guard to use at night time when you are bruxing and grinding at night, or some people even do it during the day. And to those people, I tell them, grab your night guard, don't leave it just for the nighttime, and use it during the day as well, while you're doing stuff that is that doesn't require so much talking, which is like when you're watching TV or working on your computer. Those are the times that without knowing you'll be bruxing, grinding, pressing, clenching, and that's when you need that night guard, that protection, because that's going to protect your teeth. Let me just take this. Okay, sorry guys. So that's going to protect your teeth. And that's the idea. The idea is for you to destroy the night guard, relax the muscles, but don't destroy your teeth, okay? Let me take this mouth out of the way. So I put here the model that I'm going to use, and this one is in resin because we scanned and printed the model, which is a more comfortable way also to do impressions and molds, and also a perfect replica of the patient's teeth and mouth relation. So I had to put a little bit of resin on it because this patient has a problem that cannot have anything pressing. So this model is in resin, and so this is the night guard material that we're going to put on the wish. Cannot open it up because my hands are a little, sorry guys. So, and here's the machine that you have seen it in multiple of my videos. So this is clear. There are also different thickness. We also sometimes make them in color. Some patients, because they want it in color, we do. And depending on the, so we place this here on this little vacuum with heat. So we turn here. This is what's going to warm up this. And I'm gonna warm it up because, oh, I got a little carried away. So I'm going to put this here, okay? I hope you guys can see. Let me see if I can make this like this without falling. There you go. So I'm not gonna put my finger because otherwise I'm gonna get burnt. But here, this is giving heat to the laminate, and because it's going to soften it. Once we have enough heat, which is going to show under as more like a bubble, that's when I know that the material is going to be ready. I'm gonna sit here. So we're gonna wait a little bit, but like I said, it's very, very important. We're gonna touch again the topic of the grinding, the pain. I had a patient yesterday that was complaining of pain here. Like she said, a broken glass sensation when the jaw opens and closes, and even ear pain. So we made a night guard. We haven't delivered yet, but that's going to solve the problem, help to improve the problem. Also, if you can put some warm compresses here in this area where the masseter is and where the joint is, that will help too. I'm just checking for that bubble so that it tells me it's ready to be done. And also some people, they get their jaws locked, like, can't open anymore, it can't close too much. Massage the area here too. That helps. Put warm compresses, that helps too. So we're gonna touch the topic of all the treatment and all that another day. I just wanted you to see, since I was going to do this before I leave the office for today, how this is done. Let's see if I can get this closed up so you can see. Sorry guys. You see how it's getting that bubble? So it's ready. Okay, so oops, I turn off the heat. I turn this away. We turn the vacuum on. And we wait. So that is, the heat kind of melts the laminate. So I'm gonna wait a little bit until I take it out. And then after, we have to just cut it and deliver so that the patient can start protecting and wearing it. So I'm going to, it's safe to touch it, not safe to touch there. So I'm gonna take it. Do you guys have any questions about this before I almost I know, oh my god, so many people like this sound. It's a little ASMR. Here we go. Let me see if I can do it live. Believe it or not, I have so much fun here because everything has something, So this is ready, okay? And so basically I'm gonna cut it around I prefer to cut it above the end of the line of the teeth, because when you bite and clench, you're gonna kind of press on it. So this is very soft, okay? You're gonna press on it, so I don't want that to rub on the gum. I like it a little shorter, away from the gum. So, okay guys, so I'm gonna cut this and then hand deliver. It's for someone I know. That's it. Now for sure, I'm out of this office. Nobody else is here. Let me just, since I am by myself, I'm going to give you just a little bit. It's a little bit of a ghost town here because nobody's here. So the office, empty, nobody's here. Just me. Here's where we do all the ceramics. Here is where we do our hygienes, the hygiene department. And here's the front desk. Here is one of our signs. Look what happened with the A. Overnight it fell, and I think it kind of looks cool. So we left it like that because that's stuck. So front desk. Here, the Dr. Sakamancha's whitening strips. Remember, those are made by us, created by us, so that everybody can have white teeth. Here I do surgeries. I think it's the biggest one. Another space in the front. And all the operatories here. Here we have multiple operatories. It's hard to show like this. Another one here. Weather is horrible here today. Another one here. Our panel. And another office. Nobody's here now. And then it continues there. My office in the front there. I'll show you that another day. And we have another area, but anyway, for another day. So guys, thank you so much. Finally, I'm leaving on my day off that I came to work. And thank you so much. Bye everybody. Remember, whatever you want me to talk about, I'll be here and I'll be talking about it. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful and great rest of the day. And keep smiling.